In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your computer with Tradestation. When people say register your computer in this context, they usually mean getting Tradestation to remember your username on that specific Windows PC so future logins are quicker and more convenient. I'll walk you through the process from opening the app to making sure your username is saved, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way. Start by opening the Tradestation desktop application on your Windows computer. You can launch it from a desktop shortcut if you have one, or click the Start menu and search for Tradestation to find it. Give the program a moment to load. You should see the splash screen and then the main network logon window. If the app doesn't appear, double-check that you launched the desktop version and that Windows isn't blocking it behind other windows. When the Tradestation network logon window appears, enter your username and password exactly as they're set for your account. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and verify that you're using the correct keyboard layout if you switch languages. A stable internet connection helps here, because the app needs to reach Tradestation servers to authenticate. Remember, don't share your credentials and only sign in on a device you trust. Before you continue, look for the checkbox labeled Save Username, or a very similar phrase, in the logon dialog. Check this box. This tells Tradestation to store your username on this computer so it will auto-fill the next time you open the app. It's a convenience feature that registers the device for quicker logins. It's important to note that this saves your username only. It does not save your password. Depending on your account settings, you may still be asked for additional verification during future logins. Now click Logon to sign in normally. If everything is correct, you'll be taken into the Tradestation platform. To confirm that your computer is registered for username autofill, you can close the application and reopen it. On the network logon window, your username should already be filled in. If it isn't, make sure you check the correct box and that you're using the same Windows user profile where you enabled it. A quick security reminder. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider leaving Save Username unchecked to protect your privacy. That's it. You've launched the desktop app, entered your credentials, saved your username for this PC, and logged in successfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your future Tradestation logins.